All right, here we go. We're gonna make a cucumber wrap roll. So we call this a protein roll at the restaurant, and it's just a cucumber wrapped with a bunch of different types of proteins inside. This center of this cucumber, it's a cylinder form, so I'm gonna cut it in three parts, cut it diagonal, and those pieces stand up there. It's really nice for the decoration at the end. This one's gonna go in the center and it's gonna stand up. So that's the base that I'm trimming off here now. That's gonna be the bottom of the little mountain that we're gonna make by cutting these ends off, cleaning them up, and then we're gonna cut it into a diagonal. And it's gonna stand straight up as it curls. We're gonna make it into a cylinder that way. Has a little bit of points going up, nice and curvy. So here I take out some bluefin tuna, and I'm using my Kikuchi Japanese Gyoto chef knife. Cut about 2 pieces there, and got some fresh salmon, Scottish salmon. Get 2 pieces out of there, nice and thin. Grabbing some Japanese yellowtail, otherwise known as hamachi. We're going to do about a couple pieces of that. Now we have 3 different fish: tuna, yellowtail, salmon. We're going to slap those guys right in the soy paper wrap, and that's going to hold it all together. And you don't need the soy paper wrap, but it does help, especially if your cucumber isn't peeled very nicely. Use that soy paper. I put a little bit of crab meat in there, and that's the same crab meat we use for the California roll. It's kind of sweet. It's nice. Slice of avocado gives a buttery kind of flavor and texture. Slap that guy right in there, and roll them on up. Tuck the ears in, the sides. Here we go. We're going to cut about that first cut. I like to lay down and tuck right on the side there, so it keeps everything together. Here I'm trying to decide if I want to go 6 pieces or 7 pieces. I went with 7. Squeeze out 7 with the amount of cucumber I had there. So this is going to go in the center, standing up. And that's going to be the highest level, because you want different levels when you're plating foods. It's going to be the lower level here, and I'm trying to show the colors of the inside. You have the nice green, red, orange, kind of whitish color, the lighter colors, the darker colors. Here's a different level. This is level 2. So you have level 1, level 2, level 3. Different levels. Here I add a ponzu sauce, citrus soy vinegar. Gives it a nice tangy, salty, sweet flavor. That is shichimi togarashi, that spice, and here is masago. Gives a nice orange color and a nice pop to the plate. Put a little micro cilantro, and the plate's coming out pretty nice, looking pretty good. I'm happy with it. This is shredded beets, and I'm gonna put that in the center, and it has kind of a volcano effect. That's the fire, and my little cucumber volcano there. Sprinkle a little more micro cilantro. That's pretty much it. That's the plating. Hope you enjoyed it. Bon appetit.